What's up, y'all? It's day 4 of me recording this, and honestly, recording these have genuinely brought me a lot of peace. This morning I had like two panic attacks, and this is just showing me wow, this is weighing on me very heavy. It's not the move that's weighing heavy, because let me remind you guys, I wouldn't have even thought about this had the contract that I'm on not brought me this much level of anxiety, disparity, depression. So I really have looked forward to making these videos to just keep it real with myself, showing how I'm getting through it, and it's gotten me to the next step. So today I focused on booking all my appointments with my psychiatrist, because the HR person and my boss made it very clear that I need to go talk to a psychiatrist, which I should do anyway. So that's number one. Number two, I'm exploring other options. I might go on disability at this point, because I'm just over this feeling. No one should ever feel like this. I made my OBGYN appointment. I have to get a dermatologist, because also all the stress, I'm breaking out really bad. Yeah, that's what's going on. So, morning. Yeah, so I'm just, I'm documenting this just because of, I promised y'all I would do this every day. So, I got some appointments out the way: psychiatrist appointment, OBGYN, my annual, and I got a few more. I look forward to the fact that tomorrow I go to California. I need that. California brings me peace in so many ways, so I want that to rejuvenate me. Oops, I realized it's not even facing me. Subject lost. There we go. Sorry, but yeah, I go to California tomorrow, and California does bring me a lot of peace, so I'm looking forward to that. I'm gonna get through the rest of these client calls today. Get back to vibe coding tonight and pack as well. I don't have to pack too much for Cali. I'm really going out there to chill more than anything else. Wind down from all that was happening. I booked this way before the situation even happened, so timing is everything. But yeah, I have started looking at options for, places in Thailand, places in Vietnam. So those are my two hot spots right now. I think I'm just disappointed in how people treat people. It's not even that this all could have been avoided, because this is happening for a reason, but I had expressed to HR, this wouldn't have to be a thing if, it's clear that you guys make sure upper management respects the people that work beneath them and report to them. I don't care to pursue any other conversations outside of what I need to do, but I made it very clear, I'm disappointed in that organization, and I'm not gonna hold my mouth anymore, because what's the worst they could do? Fire me? That's the whole point of this series anyways, that I already know that I'm not gonna be there anymore. I already know these things, and I'm not trying to escape anything. I'm gonna continue showing up the way I should be showing up, but also I'm not holding my mouth anymore, because I'm tired as a black woman to have to keep going through these kind of things in the first place, and they can just do whatever. So later on today, I'm going to be checking in on all client accounts that Gem Social has, making sure that we're up to par there, looking for ways to make sure that we're improving, getting them more visibility and stuff. I'm going to be looking for more clients for us to do their influencer marketing and social media management for. So I'll be aligning with my marketing director for Gem. The good news is that my developer, he's open to spreading his hours across not just Gem Social, but this other app I'm building. I think the best one that's going to come out this year is Dupe Clips, and I'm not going to give too much details on Dupe Clips now, but I have a strong feeling Dupe Clips is going to be the one. I think the other apps are great, but this is going to be top tier for the usability. So I'm really excited, and I'm going to show more about that. But yeah, I wish this video was more positive, but today, Tuesday, May 12th, not fucking feeling it. I took some ashwagandha to wind down, No coffee today. I'm drinking yerba mate. Let me check my phone, see what time it is. Yeah, it's time for me to head back up. Yeah, cool. Alright, I'm gonna head back up and work, but yeah, this is all I got. This is all I got. See y'all tomorrow. Bye.